Hey, Robin from Autogeek.
Scott with Lake Country Manufacturing.
Scott, we know that these pads have been such a staple in the industry. Can we talk about maybe the technology in these pads here?
Sure. The SDO pads, we've kind of updated the shape, the profile, get a little more reach. You get your center hole for venting versus the solid pad. Will help with less heat buildup, longer pad life. The other thing that we found was we have a 6-pad system that we're achieving the same results with a 3-pad system. Kind of how it would work would be you'd have your blue heavy polishing pad, which would kind of take the place of the yellow and the orange. This could kind of cross over. The orange pad would replace like your white and your green. You get the same effects, same results. Your black would cover your blue and your black in the standard line. What we found is there's just not enough variation between the pad lines to warrant having 6 pads.
So what you could say is you could transition to a more simple system here, have 3 pads versus 6 pads in your cabinet, leaving more space for other products.
Correct. Keep it simple.
That's a lot of great information. Thank you, Scott. Thanks for having us here at Lake Country Manufacturing. For more information about these pads and more, go to autogeek.com.